To align text, we are going to make use of these 6 buttons. The first one there at the top is to align text towards the top of the cell, towards the middle of the cell, and towards the bottom part of the cell. This one will work towards the left, the middle, or the right. For example, if I highlight the items and I click on center, all of them are centered. If I highlight a range and I click on the right hand side, they are all right aligned. If I click on a cell and I say top align, it moves a little bit upwards. You can also go and you can rotate items in a cell by making use of the rotate or the orientation button. When I click on the drop down arrow, you will see there are all the options to rotate. If you don't want to use any of them, you can go to Format Cell Alignment and you can make use of the orientation here at the right hand side. For example, if you take the diamond and you drag it upwards until it's 45 degrees, or you can go and change it at the bottom here to 45 degrees, and you can click on OK and your text is rotated. Just take note that the border is rotated with. Then we also have our indent, increase and decrease indent. So if I click on text and I increase the indent, it just inserts additional space in front of the text. You will see that in some of the cases, when I type the heading, there's not enough space inside the cell to display everything in full. In that case, we can wrap the text. For example, if I select those 2 and I click on wrap text, it will position it over 2 lines inside the row. If I want to take the text wrapping away, you can just click on it again and it is back to normal. You can also make use of merge and center by selecting 2 or more cells and you click on merge and center. You will see that the cells are now combined into one cell and the text are positioned towards the middle. If I click on the drop down arrow, there's my other options. I can use merge across, merge cells and unmerge cells. So if I click on unmerge cells, I'm back to normal. If I click on merge cells, it is merged again. If I want to use any other alignment functions, I will click on the drop down arrow and there is my options. Just take note that when you center across a selection, the cells are not merged.